Okay, I'm ready for the second video of the carbs portion. You can see here that our centrifuge has stopped spinning. So we have that spinning for 5 minutes. Let me show you what the centrifuge has accomplished for us. Of course, that's just the water test tube. This is the banana. So as you can see, it now has the banana separating from the starch part, separating from the solution part. So the part that's dissolved, the glucose dissolved in the water, is separate from the starch part, which is a pellet on the bottom. Over here, back over here on our workstation, while that was centrifuging, I was doing the samples for the yellow and the brown banana. So we will centrifuge those opposite each other since they have the same amount of liquid in them. I can put those two opposite of each other. But we're just working on the green for now, but for data's sake, I can show you that the green banana weighed 1.11 grams. The brown banana sample weighed 0.99 grams, and the yellow banana sample weighed 0.97 grams. So did a pretty good job of getting about 1 gram on each sample. Now we're down to use a disposable pipette to transfer as much of the supernatant, which is the liquid part, into a clean 50 milliliter beaker labeled banana extract, making sure that all the solid stays in the tube. So this is my 50 ml beaker, and I'm going to label it green banana extract. So we're going to see how much glucose we extracted from that banana. So make sure I get my letters right. This is the green banana. And I'm going to try to get that liquid, that glucose-filled liquid, separated over here into this beaker. Careful to not get the solid, just get the liquid part. I've done a pretty good job of taking the liquid off of the solid, but we are going to wash this 6 milliliters more of fresh distilled water. It says use a glass stirring rod. I'm going to use the pipette here. Breaking up that pellet and mixing it with that water there. Now we're going to centrifuge it again for 5 minutes. So I'm going to need a second test tube opposite this one. And I'm going to fill it with the same amount of liquid so it doesn't upset the centrifuge. And as a bonus, since we're going to be centrifuging 5 more minutes, I'm going to get these two done at the same time. Centrifuge has up to 6 slots available. Everything is labeled, so should not be an issue of anything being misidentified. So now we're back to centrifuging. Hit the button. Make sure she doesn't walk on me. Seems to be centrifuging pretty well. I'm going to stop the video right here because you don't need to watch it centrifuge for 5 minutes.